In this video you're going to learn how we can do shadows on a living room. So I have a living room space there, and I have, this will be the end result, how we can get this done. The first thing that we do is, let me show you a little trick. This is a piece of tracing paper, and we have the furniture pieces to be placed approximately here. There. So what I'm going to do is trace the outlines of these furniture pieces. We don't need to use a ruler. We can just trace them by hand quickly. Alright, once we have them, I can put one under the other, and you see how they match, right? Let's situate our tracing paper into the floor so we have it somewhere here. Our furniture pieces will be there. So now let's slide the other outline under, and it should be matching, but instead of matching it exactly, what I'm going to do is move them down diagonally. The area that is not overlapping, that should be the shadow. In other words, we should have, let me do it on cool gray 6, this should be the shadow. This portion here plus this minus the wall, we cannot really go through the wall, plus this. And this one is on top of the chair, so we don't draw it. And then remove the bottom. So that gives us the beginning of the shadow, and now what we need to do is connect those shadows with the footprint of these furniture pieces. A little bit there, and now we got the shadows. And now you understand how we can get the shadows done. So I use that method of sliding the copy of the outlines of the furniture pieces down diagonally, and then worked with my C3 gray marker to create my shadows, making sure that I cover not only the outline but also this triangle here, this one there, this one here, and this one there, and this one there. For the carpet, I would just do a tiny shadow on the edge because it is not as volumetric as the rest. And also a shadow line here and there, one line there, a little bit there, one there, and a tiny one there, just to get me the volume that I need. Once I have this, my furniture pieces on the floor plan will appear more interesting, more volumetric, which is what we want after all. Alright? This can be done not only for living rooms, but on kitchens or any other room as well. It also works really well for bedrooms.